Good morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I have my CVS haul for you guys. So I like to go to CVS either on, if I'm gonna do CVS, it's either gonna be Saturday night or Monday mornings because Sundays are just crazy. So I rarely get myself out to CVS on Sundays anymore because it's just too much of a stressful thing for me. So either it's going to be, I want to get out to Saturday night because of early activation, but you can expect to see a haul on my channel. If it's not up on Sunday morning, then you can expect to see it on Monday. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. So the red machine was broke at my store again. So they changed the paper, we restarted it, and it still didn't work. So I was able to send a few coupons to my CVS card and then a bunch of them printed at the end of my receipt, like I mentioned in a video last week on what to do if your CVS machine is down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. And there may be a little giveaway in this video, so stay tuned. And there might be a giveaway, so I'm just gonna go into it. So I had a 5 off 40 purchase coupon that printed at my receipt last week, so I held on to that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into everything. So first thing I picked up is the CVS Brand Formula tubs. So they are buy one, get one 50% off. They are buy one, get one 50% off of select baby care items. So I bought 2 of them. So one of them was priced for, let's see, $20.49, and then the second one rang up buy one, get one half off. So one of them rang up 50%, and they were spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. And I had a $2.50 off 15 CRT for infant formula, so I picked up both of these. So I was really excited about that. And then I picked up 2 packs of the Irish Spring bar soap. So they were priced 2 for $4. There is a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2, and I had a $1 off 2 CRT when you buy any 2 of the Irish Spring 3-pack bar soaps or soft soap, hand soap. So I went ahead and picked this up. So after extra care bucks and coupon, I was able to get both of these for $1 or 50 cents a box, which is great. So great deal on that one. And then also I did the Lady Speed Stick deal. I wasn't even planning on doing this, but I did it anyways. But they are priced 2 for $5.50, and you get a $2.50 extra care buck when you buy 2. And then I had a 2 off 2 CRT for Lady Speed Stick, so I applied that here. And then I picked out the Revlon. So the Revlon is spend 15, get 5. And we have those awesome printable coupons, which I will have linked below. Everything will be, so I'll have those linked below if you want to check it out. But I picked up the Revlon Color Stay Cream eyeshadow. And then I picked up the new Revlon Photo Ready Candid All Natural Foundation. If you guys want me to review this and test it on camera, let me know, because I picked this up. So I'm going to try this out. So this was priced for $10.99, I believe it was. So this was $10.99, and the cream eyeshadow was $8.49. So I picked both of those up. I used a 3 off 1 printable for the Revlon foundation, and then I used a $2 coupon that I sent to my CVS card. And there are also $3 off 1 coupons you can send to your card for the Revlon. So all of the printable Revlon cosmetic coupons you can also send to cards. So got those. And I had a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics. So and then I also rolled let's see, I rolled $9 in extra care bucks. So I went into the transaction with $9 in extra care bucks. So I ended up paying $41.80, and then I got back $10, $12, $13, $14, $14.50, $19.50 in extra care bucks is what I got back. And then I'm gonna submit Ibotta rebates for the Revlon. So I'm gonna get $4 back with Ibotta for the Revlon. So this was my CVS haul, and you guys, so this is everything that I got in my CVS haul. I'm actually really happy with everything that I picked up. I was able to get some cosmetics that I've been wanting to try. Well, the one thing that I've been wanting to try is this foundation. It's always good to get formula on a deal because that's what Tanner eats most of the time is formula. So anytime I can get that on a deal, I am all about that. So yeah, this is my CVS haul. So if you haven't gone out to CVS, you definitely should. There are definitely some deals worth doing. And I mentioned to you guys that I may have a giveaway in this video. So if you guys watch my CVS in-store video, I will leave that linked below. There is a giveaway in that video, so there's still time to enter that one because I will be announcing the winner. What I'm going to be doing with my giveaways now going forward is I'm going to be pinning a comment of the winner. So check back to the video and look at the pinned comment, and if your comment is the one that's pinned, then you you are the winner. So that is how I'm going to be announcing my giveaway winners going forward. So you still have time to enter that one. So that's a giveaway for a $25 CVS gift card. And same for this giveaway. So CVS had gifted me a few gift cards after I spoke with their corporate inside the store. So I have quite a few gift cards to be able to give to you guys. So if you want to be entered to win a $25 CVS gift card, then just leave a comment and let me know. Now that I'm staring at my coffee, I want to know, do you prefer your coffee iced or hot? Let me know in the comment section below, and that is going to enter you to win the $25 CVS gift card. And make sure you're a subscriber to this channel. I'm not going to tell you guys to share this video because I have no clue if you are going to share it or not, but if you found this video helpful, then go ahead and share it, but that's not going to be a requirement because I have no clue if you guys are actually going to share the video. But I do know if you're subscribed because I have a list of subscribers. So I always go and check my subscriber list before I end up picking a winner. So I will talk to you guys all later. And some of you guys may know that I've been on a social media break. It's been almost like 2 months. First question, do you guys want a video on my experience of being off social media for almost the past 2 months? I've been blogging here and there about it, but if you guys would like a more in-depth video of kind of why I did it and what I've learned in almost 2 months doing it, let me know. I was randomly chatting with my hairstylist about this on Saturday, and I think that I might open a new Instagram account, but I think it's just gonna be like a coupon page. So I'm only going to be posting about coupons. Like I'm not going to be posting anything about myself, my family, my kids. It's strictly going to be couponing. So let me know if you guys would be interested in following an account like that, where it's strictly just about the coupons and alerting you guys, you know, when I post a video and new deals that I see around the Southern California area. Let me know if that's something that you would be interested in following, and I will definitely make that account. And I'm also considering doing the same thing with Facebook, with it just strictly being a couponing page and nothing else, not sharing, you know, anything about myself or my family or my kids or anything like that, just keeping it strictly coupons. So if that is something that you would be interested in following and being a part of, then I will definitely consider doing that, because I do feel like social media in terms of like a certain niche is really important in terms of like getting the updates on deals and coupons, and if something's gonna expire, or maybe we got a good CRT and maybe you didn't know about it. I'm definitely missing the boat when it comes to like printable coupons, because some of the couponers that I follow, like Hip to Save and Free Stuff Finder and Llewellyn, like they're really good at posting like all the new latest deals, and I always feel super behind because I'm not on social media to know like the latest deals. So let me know if that's something that you would like to follow, and I will consider creating those accounts for coupon purposes. So I will talk to you guys all later. Happy President's Day. I hope you guys are enjoying your days off and you're not getting too crazy with your kids, and I will talk to you later. Bye.